Hey, Chef and Chefettes.
What's up, YouTube? We are back! Back with another video, baby!
What you blowing?
I was blowing kisses to my subscribers.
Maybe your Valentine? Oh, you know
Valentine done passed.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
Guys, if you're watching this video, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. Turn that subscribe button gray.
Wait, well, how come you never blow me kisses?
Turn that subscribe button gray.
Huh?
So,
That's
you
crazy.
want to tell them what we're cooking today?
I have to blow my subscribers kisses.
You bet. Ooh. Ooh. Give me that shit.
You better. Extra for you guys. Thank you for
Extra for you
subscribing.
guys.
So, guys, we got something
What you think this
special
is?
for you guys today.
Plenty of fish?
Huh?
What is this?
Huh?
Plenty of fish?
No.
Black Planet? You think this is your personal dating app?
What are you talking about? I thought we were blowing some
Plenty of kisses for you.
I thought we were blowing kisses to our subscribers.
Yeah, you better stop.
We were blowing kisses to our subscribers.
Guys.
Huh? That's what you did. Remember you did?
I ain't do none of that.
I thought that's what you were
Keep doing that. You're like a blowfish. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go
I
ahead.
should have brought my beach hat.
Yeah, go ahead, blowfish.
I should have brought my beach hat and my sunglasses.
Shit, man. Shucks. So, guys, would you like to tell them what? Would you like to tell them what we making, Miss Blowfish?
We making some Popeyes.
No, we not. No, we're not. No, we're not. No.
You're right, because we better than Popeyes.
Ain't nobody making no damn Popeyes. Guys.
Because we better than Popeyes.
Can you tell them what we're making today?
We making...
And get it right. Get it right, please. Get it right. Please get it right.
Excuse me. Everything that goes down in the kitchen.
Ain't no Popeyes.
When I say what we cooking is right.
But
Fix up your face.
We ain't making no damn Popeyes.
So then you say what we cooking.
Guys.
Go ahead. Since I apparently get it wrong.
Guys, we making some Popeyes. Yo, guys. You guys see the thumbnail. You still with your nonsense.
No, I don't even know what you're talking about.
You guys see the title in the description.
So y'all already know what we cooking.
So today we are showing you a cook and comedy chicken sandwich.
Better than Popeyes.
Man, better than Popeyes. And you ain't gonna get stabbed waiting for one of these.
Ooh.
And we ain't closed on Sunday. Shots, 2 shots. I'm sorry.
And we will never be running out.
Guys, yo, this chicken sandwich we about to show you today is the bomb diggity. So when we come back, what did the chicken say to the cow? Or was it the cow to the chicken?
I don't know.
Was it moo? Anyways, guys, so when we come back, it's about to go moo. Eat more chicken. Hey guys, I'm back with the ingredients to make these cooking comedy chicken sandwiches. Moo. Damn. So let me show you the ingredients. Do I even have to tell you? If y'all some faithful subscribers, you know the first ingredient I'm gonna tell you. Y'all give up? Green seasoning. That's right, guys. You need your green seasoning. I'm gonna put 2 tablespoons of green seasoning in my chicken breast. Next ingredient, some homemade pepper sauce. I put 1 teaspoon of homemade pepper sauce in my chicken breast. Guys, I put a tablespoon of garlic powder. I put 1 pack of chicken bouillon. I also put 1 teaspoon of Old Bay. Yes, Old Bay seasoning. Man, you put that in your chicken breast, it's gonna take it to another level. You're gonna need a sprinkle of salt, and you're gonna need a teaspoon of black pepper. Everything here, these are your supplemental ingredients. Here we have our romaine lettuce, we have tomatoes, we have onions. That's all gonna top the chicken sandwich. But these are your main ingredients here. And here is our seasoned chicken breast. See that, guys? This was originally 3 chicken breasts. What I did was I chopped each chicken breast in half and then I filleted it. Once I did that, I took my mallet and I kind of mashed them, flattened them out so they wouldn't be too thick. And then I seasoned it and I let it sit overnight. So I took all these seasonings right here that I just mentioned, put it in my breast, in my chicken breast, and I let it sit overnight. And of course, you're gonna need mayo. Guys, take one last look, because when we come back, I'm gonna show you the next step. Damn! And I'll be back.
Hey guys, your favorite girl's back with the next step. So let me show you guys what we're about to do and what we did. All right, so we took all of our ingredients and we put it in our flour here. What we forgot to mention to you was we took 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, all right, and we put it in our flour mixture with our ingredients, okay? Very important. It's going to make our outside of our chicken real crispy, all right? So we have 4 pieces of chicken to start with.
Don't forget the cayenne pepper.
And the cayenne pepper.
We added cayenne pepper.
We added cayenne pepper too, all right? To our flour. So to start, we have 4 chicken breasts here. What we're going to do is take 1 piece at a time, put it in the flour, put it in scrambled egg, then back in the flour and throw it in this oil, okay? Pay attention. It's not rocket science. Real simple. Let's take a small piece. Flour. Make sure you get it real good. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like and hold it up. Dust off any flour that's left on there. Nice, right? Take this fork out. Put it like so. Dip it right here in this egg. We're gonna dip this bad boy right back in this flour.
So that's flour, egg, flour.
Flour, egg, flour. Flour, egg, flour. Flour, egg, flour.
Fifi.
Fifi.
Flour, egg, flour, eat.
No, flour, egg, flour, cook.
That's it. That's not Fifi. That's feck. Feck.
That sounds like a curse.
For real. Flour, egg, flour, eat.
See?
They're looking right. That chicken sandwich looking right.
You hear that pop? You heard that pop?
Popeyes don't want nothing on us.
You hear that pop?
I heard that pop.
Sizzling?
I hear it sizzle.
That's when you know it's cooking.
Sizzling.
Yes. So we're going to do that for all these pieces, guys. It's going to be delicious. It's going to be crispy. It's going to be mouth-watering.
Show them one more.
One more.
Show them one. So it's flour.
Flour. It's Fifi. It's Fifi.
Well, minus the E.
Yeah.
So we gonna flour it.
I think it smells good. Guys, when you put your seasoning in your flour, it makes it taste so much better. You get all the seasoning in that first bite that you take.
Guys, I hope you guys made that green seasoning, because that green seasoning makes all our dishes 10 times better. And it would make your dishes 10 times better too. Scroll back, look how to make the green seasoning, and do it. That way when we cooking with it, y'all cooking with it. We cooking together. It's like family up in here.
Family, guys.
We is family. Eating good
Look at
in
it
the
like
hood.
Look at it like a heart.
Yeah.
It's a heart for you.
Yeah. It's a heart. You know where that heart's gonna end up?
In your tummy.
Same place the last heart ended up.
In the sink.
In the sink.
That's alright. I'll give it to somebody else. With my kisses.
Yeah, one of your swipe left, swipe left, swipe lefts.
Excuse me.
Turning our damn YouTube channel into a dating app. Not funny.
You can't come on my dating.
I don't want to come on your dating app.
Good.
Great.
Good. Because I'm
Great.
I'm gonna order filet mignon.
I hope R. Kelly picks you up for your date.
Bro, I'm not underage.
You gonna meet a R. Kelly on your dating app.
crazy.
Yep, that's exactly what you gonna do. You gonna meet a R. Kelly on your dating app.
Look how banging my chicken is. Look.
Flour, egg, flour.
Look at that.
Mm-hmm.
Put this in here. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
No more fit, so that's it. But we're gonna do the rest. We're gonna do that to these two and the rest that's in the bowl. So when we come back, we're gonna show you what it look like. So make sure you stay in tune with us, guys. We'll be right back.
Whoa. Hey guys. We're almost done making these cooking comedy famous banging chicken sandwiches. So while the chicken is almost done cooking, I'm gonna show you a little secret sauce. Ketchup. Take some ketchup, put it in a bowl, and you're done. There goes your secret sauce. Damn.
I don't think so.
Mind your business.
Mind your funky business. Mind your funky business.
Excuse me. No howling in my video.
Leave me alone.
No howling in my video. Alright guys, so you're gonna take a little ketchup, a little bit of mustard, very little mayo, not too much, just a little mayo. Let me rinse this off. Guys, and last but not least, some pepper sauce. Ooh, I'm struggling. Pepper sauce is gonna give it that kick. Spicy chicken sandwich. Ooh, y'all guys, scroll back, make this Trini pepper sauce. You see that? Ooh, I'm gonna show y'all. Bro, look at that. Y'all see that? Ooh, baby. I'm not putting all that. Little pepper sauce in there. Oops. Guys, that's all you need to make our secret sauce. You can put these on your chicken sandwich and your burger. Hold on.
What is
A little beer. Corona, Heineken. You're gonna take a little beer, just a splash of beer. Put it in your sauce. Now see this? Guys, and there you have it. Your secret sauce. Ooh, baby. Just drizzle this on. I'm getting hungry. I'm getting hungry already. That's all you need, guys. So now you got your secret sauce. When we come back, I'm going to show you the finished product.
Hey guys.
What's up? We are back with the finished product.
You're not a singer. We lost like 25 subscribers just now.
You want to do it again?
No, we're gonna lose like 20 more. Stop it.
Oh!
Don't do it.
Guys, Chick-fil-A, Popeyes, don't want nothing on us. Not a damn thing. Let me show you my chicken sandwich dance. Chicken sandwich, chicken sandwich, chicken sandwich, chicken sandwich, chicken. Show them the damn chicken sandwich, man. Come on.
Don't show them the dance though.
Chicken sandwich, chicken sandwich.
Guys, let me show you guys.
Oh.
Look how amazing. You always drooling behind.
Get closer. Don't be shy.
Yo,
Show them the damn chicken. Look at that.
Look how banging.
Ooh. Hold on. Let me get a thumbnail.
Bro, but I'm
Come
not
on.
even in the thumbnail.
Come on, get up in there. Ready? Set. Guys,
Oh.
about to tear up these chicken sandwiches. Make these cook and comedy chicken sandwiches.
Aren't they banging? Don't drool on them.
I'm not drooling on it. Close out the video, please, because I'm ready to tear this thing up.
Guys, make sure you make the chicken sandwiches and put your little... Don't do that. Make sure you make the sandwiches. Put that special sauce we showed you guys on it, all right? Tell a friend, tell your mama, tell your auntie, your uncle. Subscribe to our channel. Let us know if you like it, all right? Make it. I will give you 2 lash. Stop.
Oh gosh, time tea. Come on now.
All right?
Damn.
You're my ass.
We go put. That's it.